Here I have OPPO RX17 PRO, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. At the very beginning you have to open the phone dialer, then go to your contacts, and here you should select the one that you would like to block. Once you have it, just tap on it and hold it for about 2 seconds, and once the menu pop up, just tap on Add to Blacklist. Now you have to confirm it because you will not receive any calls or messages from this contact, so actually it will not be able to reach you anyhow. But if you are sure, just tap on Add to Blacklist. And that's it. But if you would like to remove some particular contact from your blacklist, just tap on it one more time and hold for about 2 seconds, and then simply pick Remove from Blacklist. And that's it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.